Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make Internet Explorer as your main web browser. Now, what is your main web browser, you may be asking? So, I'm going to be showing you guys an example. As you can see, we're on Discord. If I were to open up YouTube using Discord, it would automatically open up youtube.com on our Opera GX, as you can see. So, if we wanted to automatically open up YouTube from, let's say, Discord, if I press on the link, let's say I wanted to open up on Internet Explorer and not Opera GX. So that is what this video is for. If that is your issue, you've come to the right place. Now, I do not recommend using Internet Explorer as your main web browser, but for whatever reason you need it to be, this is the video for you. So to begin, we're going to head to our Windows Start button, and from there, I'm going to go to the Settings tab. Once we've arrived here, we have multiple options. What we're going to find is apps, uninstall, defaults, optional features. Once we're here, we have around 6 options, I believe. We want to go to the second one, which is default apps, from which we can find the default apps. So we have email, maps, music player, photo viewer, video player, and web browser. What we want to press on is the web browser, and as you can see, it is Opera GX as of right now. Simply press on it once, and all the browsers which are installed onto your system will pop up. For us, we want to do Internet Explorer, so let's press on Internet Explorer. From there, if I minimize out of this tab and open up Discord once again, once I press on this, it will open it up on the Internet Explorer. And wow, this browser is so old that I do not even remember using this. So as you can see, it's so old that like you can't even open YouTube. You have to update it. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.